Okay, you're now looking at what we call our handy duster. Our handy duster is made from microfibers. Now what that means is, like the microfiber cloth, everything sticks to this duster. Everything sticks to the fibers. Now we use this, you can see that I'm really gentle as I'm brushing the duster against the surface. I don't need to press hard. That's why I prefer this over a cloth, because it gets into everywhere. So behind your TVs, behind your bedside tables, behind the bed, it's just easy. Now even getting into the fireplace, you can see I'm just pushing the handy duster into the crack. I don't have to put my fingers in there. All I have to do is slightly push the duster inside, and it takes all of that dust that's built up straight off. Now we do also use this for skirting boards. You can choose to wet wipe skirting boards if they need it, or if it's on a weekly basis, you would just use your handy duster. It's really easy, especially with the pole. Now the thing about the handy duster is you can bend it to fit wherever you want it to fit. If it's in the air conditioning vents above us, it can do that. If you want, like I'm brushing a fly screen just to get the excess dust off. The window sills. Now it won't take dirt that's stuck to the windowsill, but it will remove all dust that is left on the surface.